cup semolina. A half cup milk. Mix it. Let it rest for 20 minutes. A half cup sugar. 1.5 cup water. A 1/4 teaspoon saffron. Cook on medium flame until sugar is dissolved. Set aside. 1 teaspoon ghee. Cook until ghee melts. 1 tablespoon almond. 1 tablespoon coconut sliced. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Set aside. Tablespoon ghee. Cook on low flame. Green cardamom. Add soaked semolina. Cook on low flame for 15 minutes. Tablespoon desiccated coconut. Cook for 1 minute. Add sugar syrup. Cook on medium flame until ghee separates. Stir continuously. Add roasted dry fruits.